You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab. About 5 p.m. yesterday, it is raining large hailstones in the Kashipur block of Rayagada district. Currently, excessive rains have caused the primary road connecting the village of Maribhata with Gorakhpur to collapse. The road eventually took on the appearance of Kashmir as a result. Similar to Pansaguda village in Kashipur Block, some homes there have also been destroyed by wind. In the entrance of the Kashipur tehsil office, a sizable tree has been fallen. Numerous reports of home demolitions have also been reported for some other villages. In Kashipur Block, however, it is currently raining. Some claim to have never experienced rain like this. Bureau Report, Sigma Media Lab.